Hi, welcome to another segment of English Diet on GCL tutorials. On English Diet, I point out common errors as formal usage of language is concerned. In writing, every choice of word you use must follow the formal principles. Language is about rules and you must follow the rules. You may not express yourself as a native speaker, but you have to follow the rules in the usage of English language. If you did watch my previous segment, I spoke about its and its. If you haven't watched that video, I would like you to get to that and watch, comment, and share. If you like this video as well, and this is the first time you are watching, make sure you subscribe and share with other people, and let's continue to improve our language. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the use of am, the one without a pronoun, which is called the first person singular I, and the one with I, an apostrophe, and m. In social media language usage, we realize that we misuse or make a lot of errors when we are typing this. Sometimes people know, but they want to type fast. Sometimes too, people don't know and they become used to the wrong usage of am. Grammatically, it is incorrect to use the am without the pronoun. The pronoun must precede or come before the primary auxiliary. Am is a primary auxiliary. You have to take note of that. And therefore, because of the rule where there should always be a subject with a verb, you must make sure that the I comes before the auxiliary, the primary auxiliary am. So you can say, I am washing this Saturday. I am washing this Saturday. I'm washing this Saturday. I'm watching a movie. And as you are saying or writing that, you bear in mind the I apostrophe M is a contracted form or the shortened form of I am. And that's the expression. You shouldn't write am, and that becomes the first word. Then you continue with the rest. I'm washing, I'm singing, I'm dancing. You have to look at all of these and be very, very mindful of how you ignore that pronoun. That pronoun, the first person singular I, is very, very important. It's part of the formation. Therefore, if you are saying am together with other words to make a meaningful statement, you should always remember that I apostrophe N is the contracted form of I am. Therefore, you must make good use of that. Yes, of course, we know in typing in text message, everybody wants to type very fast and then have his or her way. But then, formal language is formal language. And I always tell you, you may not be able to express yourself like the native speaker, but then when you are using it, you have to make sure you apply the rules and follow the rules of the language. If you like this video, make sure you put a thumbs up comment or share with other people. Like my video as well. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. I'm JCL and this has been English Diet. I'll come your way again with another interesting one. Thanks for watching. Bye.